How to remove Temu's minimum purchase limit. If you have limited purchase limit on your Temu's application and you want to remove it, then this video is for you. To do so, first of all, launch your Temu's application. From there, you'll see U option on the button of your page. Simply hit on that. On the top right, you'll see support option. Hit on that and select contact us. Now here, briefly describe about your issue that you want to remove minimum limit on your Temu. Then Temu team will help you out within the 24 hours. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.